I was doing some checks on my bilge pump and realized that the switch wasn't working. Or whenever I put it to auto, down here, the bilge switch, that's a new one, was in the on position. So this is the stick that the bilge pump and bilge pump switch attach to. It's pretty messy, and it goes down into this nearly inaccessible area way down in there. Bilge way down in there. And that whole stick goes down in here and then screws onto the top of the stringer. And it didn't come out in one piece. It was catching on everything. So when I put this back in, hopefully it slides in a little easier than it came out. But right now we're just screwing this. This is the base to the bilge pump, 800 gallons an hour. Then we'll put the switch on here. And I gotta get some waterproof wire connectors that's just temporarily hooked up for make sure everything works right. So it's time to hook up the electrical wires permanently. I'm going to be using heat shrink tubing and these butt connectors, and I may put like some sort of Vaseline or something around these before I put the heat shrink over it, and just to increase its waterproof abilities. So here's the finished product with a new bilge pump and new switch, float switch. So I don't have much hope that I'm going to get this in there, but I'll manage somehow. Here's the hose that has to get hooked up to that barb right there, and then wiggled all down on in there. Seems like it should go right down in there, but we'll see. Alright, we have everything put back together, and if anybody's interested in an S2 bilge pump, it is, the bilge is so deep. You see that down in there? Wouldn't want to fill that up with something so that it doesn't fill up with water. It doesn't have to be so deep. But new switch, everything works. I can reach down in there and pull that switch up, and it kicks on good. No obstructions.